For centuries, architecture has been a balance between art, science, and culture. But today, something is changing. AI-generated designs, 3D printed buildings, and algorithm-driven architecture are challenging everything we thought we knew. Is human architecture dying, or are we entering a golden age of innovation? For centuries, architecture has been a balance between art, science, and culture. But today, something is changing. AI-generated designs, 3D printed buildings, and algorithm-driven architecture are challenging everything we thought we knew. Is human architecture dying, or are we entering a golden age of innovation? Let's dive deep into how AI and 3D printing are redefining the future of design, and whether this is a revolution or the end of an era. The rise of AI in architecture is nothing short of revolutionary. With AI-generated concept sketches and futuristic structures, we're witnessing a new era where technology and creativity blend seamlessly. But what does this mean for the future of architectural design? AI is no longer just assisting architects. It's designing buildings on its own. Tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and generative AI models can create intricate architectural concepts in seconds. But here's the real question. Are these designs actually good or just visually striking? While AI-generated buildings can be visually stunning, they often face real-world architectural challenges. How do these designs hold up when it comes to functionality, sustainability, and practicality? This is where the true test of AI in architecture lies. While AI can generate mind-blowing forms, it doesn't understand context, climate, or cultural significance. It lacks the human intuition that makes architecture more than just shapes, but some argue that AI is simply a tool, one that allows architects to push the boundaries of creativity without being limited by time or traditional methods. And then there's 3D printing, a technology that could make architecture faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. Companies like Icon and Apis Core are printing entire houses in 24 hours using materials that reduce waste and lower costs. But does this mean the end of human-designed, handcrafted architecture? On one hand, 3D printing allows for organic, free-flowing designs that were once impossible. On the other, it challenges centuries of craftsmanship. Does a printed building carry the same soul as one sculpted by human hands? Art versus efficiency. This is where the real debate begins. Human architecture is about culture, identity, and the personal touch of the designer. But AI and automation focus on efficiency, speed, and innovation. Can these two worlds coexist? Some architects embrace AI as a collaborator, not a replacement. Others fear that if we rely too much on technology, we'll lose the soul of design. So where do we draw the line? Maybe the future isn't about choosing one over the other. Maybe it's about finding a balance. Imagine a world where AI helps generate ideas, but human architects bring the soul and meaning to them. Where 3D printing speeds up construction, but we still preserve craftsmanship and cultural heritage. The real challenge is this: can we use technology without losing what makes architecture meaningful? Or are we at risk of turning our cities into soulless digital creations? As we look back at the evolution of architecture, from ancient landmarks to modern skyscrapers and now AI-generated buildings, one can't help but wonder about the future. So, what do you think? Is AI and 3D printing the future of architecture or the beginning of its decline? Will we embrace these tools, or fight to preserve human creativity? Should AI and 3D printing replace human-designed architecture? Yes, no, or a hybrid approach? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's start the conversation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of architecture, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.